In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Meta Business Suite. So let's get started. First, you can go directly to business.facebook.com and log into your Facebook. So the first thing that you need to do is select a page. In Home, we get the option of Create Post, Create Story. If I scroll down, then I will be able to get a quick review of my page. And I will be able to see the posts I added and what's the reactions that I got. We also get the insights for our trends and audience. Scroll down and you will check your planner recent ads. This is like an overview of our Meta business. The second option is the notification. It's where we will be getting our notifications if we get a new comment, new likes, and such. We also have the inbox where we have all messages, Messenger, Instagram DMs, Facebook comments, Instagram comments, and chat plugin. Then we have available automation and settings. We can also select our availability. Then we have the post and story option where we can schedule different posts and stories. Click on Create Post option so we can actually select where and what we want to post. We can connect our Instagram as well. Then we have the media option where we will be able to upload a photo or a video. We also have the text option. There's scheduling options where we have publish now, schedule, or save as a draft. We have the planner option where you can plan your content. So you can simply select a date and click on create, and it will allow you to create a post, story, or create an ad. And you can also schedule your whole month with the planner. You can get a weekly view and a monthly view as well. You can also share it on your Facebook page, Instagram account, or your Facebook group. We also get the ad option where we can create our Facebook ads. To create the new ads, you can click on Create Ad. Then you have to choose a goal. You just need to add the details and the picture. You can add the payment method, and you can also see the ad preview. Then we have the insights where we will be able to get all the insights to the business. We get graphs and results for our different ads and campaigns. We have all tools, which basically includes all the tools you can see in Meta Business Suite. There are a lot of things that you can explore, but as you use it frequently, then you will be able to get familiarized with different tools in Meta Business Suite. That's it, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!